Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special one because we just hit 1000 subscribers. Yay! Congratulations to me. It may not be a huge number, but for me, it truly means a lot. I started this channel simply to share my passion for Gunpla, model kit, building and customizing them. And honestly, I didn't expect so many people to follow and support me. Every comment, every piece of feedback has helped me improve a lot. So to say thank you, I decided to do a small giveaway. The prize will be one RX-78-2 model kit, bootleg, it's not official. And I also want to be honest with you guys. The reason I often use bootleg kits is because I'm still learning and improving my skill from building to painting and detailing. I've actually ruined quite a few Bandai kits before, so to avoid wasting them, I switched to bootleg kits for practicing. I don't support replacing official product with bootleg, but for me, it's a way to learn and get better step by step. So that's why I want to give this kit to beginners who are just getting into Gunpla or those who don't have budget for official kits yet. I hope this can be a fun starting point for you guys. And how to join in the giveaway is super simple. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share the channel, and comment below your thought or message, and pick a number from 1 to 999. I'll use ChatGPT to randomly generate a number, and whoever matches or is closest will win the prize. Once my channel reaches 1500 subscribers, I'll make a video to generate a random number and announce the winner. Once again, thank you all so much for helping me reach 1000 subscribers. I hope I can continue to bring you better and better content. Good luck everyone, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!